Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum. Dear Islamic brothers and sisters, hope you are living well in your lives. I am your host and today I am going to proceed Islamic Wazaif. Now I am suggesting you a powerful spiritual Wazeefa. This Wazeefa is the solution of all problems of this world and hereafter. If you want to get rid of all problems of this world and the hereafter, you need to recite Ya Rahimu 100 times after performing every farz namaz. This Wazeefa and Mujarrab Amal took you out the all problems of your life. Please do this Amal for 40 days continuously. And now I have two requested suggestions from you that in this field of spiritualism regularity is most important, because through follow the guidelines of Islam and through spiritualism your relationship with Allah will be strong if you follow his pathway and follow my guidelines regarding to this Wazeefa. Please doing this Amal with 5 times prayers. And if you found my videos are beneficial for you, then share my videos with other needy peoples. If you have any questions, queries regarding this Amal and Wazeefa, please send us message on my WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number will be given in this video description. You can put all your questions and queries in your message and I will try to solve your questions, queries and your problems as well as your life. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.